So now the third phase of this is to deal with the area. So we now have this for the expression for the square's length. We have this, which is the h. And because the question deals with area, the next thing to do is to deal with area. Now, area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Well, we know that the area for the triangle is base, which is x, times the height, which is this expression here, the square root of 3 over 2 times x. Okay, so it's x times the height divided by 2. Now this just will simplify. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to go up here. But this will simplify into x squared times square root of 3 over 4. Because the 2 divided by the 2 is 4. And so there's the expression for the area of the triangle. Okay, so the last bit of this then is to put it all together. So we're trying to find area of the square and the area of the triangle in relation to, we've got to find the length. So we're just going to plug things in. We're going to go, now area of the triangle is the square root of 3 over 4 x squared, that's the area of the triangle, plus the area of the square, which is y squared. But we already know that y is 10 minus 3 over 4 x, and it's that squared. So now we have an expression that we can find x, and we can find the value of the triangle, then we can also find the value of the square. So we've got this, and we're just going to have to work this out. And so we square root of 3 fourths x squared plus 100 plus or minus 60 over 4x plus 9/16 x squared. So that's a little, but that's what, when you square out the 10 minus the 3/4 x, this is what you get. So it's a bit dodgy. It's in, and I would leave it as fractions and not decimals, but you can change it if you like. So now we've got to regroup things. 3/4, the square root of 3 for x squared plus 9 over 16 x squared can become we'll take out the x squared, and we'll get the square root of 3 plus 9 all over 16. So you can see how that works out. And then 60 over 4 is obviously 15. So minus the 15, and we've got the 100 out in front. So I'm going to redo this so that we have some room. So just hang loose here. So this is what we get for the area expression when we simplify everything out. And now, obviously, we're trying to find minimum area. So we've got to work out x by differentiation. And so the 100 goes away. The minus 15x just becomes minus 15. And then plus this thing, because the x comes down, x comes across, you're going to get 2 in front. So this will simplify down into 9 plus 4 square root of 3 all over 8x. So that's the differentiated expression. And then you will go about solving that.